Creative wood furniture and decor ideas for modern homes have gained immense popularity as individuals seek to infuse their living spaces with warmth, character, and a touch of nature. Wood, as a material, brings a unique charm that complements a variety of design styles, from minimalist to rustic. Its versatility allows for endless possibilities, enabling homeowners to express their personal aesthetics while also creating functional spaces that enhance everyday living. One of the most appealing aspects of wood furniture is its ability to create a sense of warmth and comfort. Unlike cold, industrial materials, wood has a natural warmth that invites people in. This quality is particularly important in modern homes, where the goal is often to create a welcoming atmosphere. A beautifully crafted wooden table, for example, can serve as the heart of a dining area, encouraging family gatherings and shared meals. The tactile experience of wood can also enhance the overall ambience of a space, making it feel more inviting and lived in. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood furniture and decor ideas from modern homes. Unique inspirations for your space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. On the other hand, darker woods like walnut or mahogany can add richness and depth to a space, providing a dramatic contrast that can enhance the design. These materials can be used to create statement pieces, such as a bold coffee table or an intricately carved headboard. The beauty of wood lies in its ability to be both subtle and striking, allowing homeowners to choose pieces that align with their personal style. Another creative way to utilize wood in modern decor is through mixed materials. Combining wood with elements such as metal, glass, or stone can create visually interesting contrasts that elevate the overall design. For example, a wooden dining table paired with metal chairs can create an industrial chic look that is both stylish and functional. This blending of materials can also enhance the durability of furniture, as different materials can complement each other's strengths and weaknesses. The trend toward open-concept living spaces presents an opportunity to use wood creatively to define different areas within a home. Wooden room dividers or screens can help delineate spaces without closing them off entirely, allowing for an open feel while still providing some privacy. These dividers can be designed with intricate patterns or left simple, depending on the desired effect. By using wood in this way, homeowners can maintain an airy atmosphere while also adding functional elements to their decor. Sustainability is a significant consideration in modern design, and it can play a crucial role in creating eco-friendly spaces. Choosing reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood not only reduces environmental impact, but also adds character and history to furniture and decor. Reclaimed wood, with its unique imperfections and age patina, brings a story to each piece, making it more than just a functional item. This focus on sustainability resonates with many homeowners today who prioritize eco-conscious choices in their living environments. In addition to sustainability, the craftsmanship involved in creating wooden furniture can elevate its value and appeal. Handcrafted pieces often carry a sense of authenticity and uniqueness that mass-produced items lack. When homeowners choose to invest in artisanal wooden furniture, they are not only acquiring a beautiful item, but also supporting skilled artisans who pour their expertise and passion into their work. This connection to craftsmanship can enhance the overall experience of owning and displaying wooden furniture, making it a cherished part of the home. It can also be creatively used in smaller decor elements that add character to a space. Wooden accents, such as picture frames, decorative bowls, or wall art, can introduce warmth and texture without overwhelming a room. These smaller pieces allow for easy updates and changes in decor, enabling homeowners to refresh their spaces regularly. Incorporating wood in these subtle ways can create a cohesive look that ties together various elements within a room. The use of wood in functional decor items, such as organizers or storage solutions, can also enhance the overall design of a home. Wooden bins, shelves, and hooks can be both practical and aesthetically pleasing. For instance, a wooden entryway organizer can keep shoes and bags neatly stored while adding visual interest to the space. The combination of functionality and style in these pieces contributes to a more organized and visually appealing environment. Texture plays a vital role in modern design, and we can introduce a variety of textures that enhance the sensory experience of a space. The natural grain of wood adds depth and interest, contrasting beautifully with smoother materials like glass or fabric. Mixing different textures can create a dynamic environment that feels layered and inviting. For example, pairing a smooth leather sofa with a reclaimed wood coffee table can create a balanced and visually appealing living area. Lighting is another essential element that can enhance the beauty of wood furniture and decor. Natural light can bring out the rich tones and textures of wood, while strategically placed artificial lighting can create dramatic effects. For instance, highlighting a wooden sculpture with a spotlight can draw attention to its intricate details, making it a focal point in the room. The interplay of light and wood can significantly impact the overall atmosphere, creating warmth and inviting spaces. Moreover, incorporating plants alongside wooden elements can further enhance the natural feel of a space. Greenery complements the organic qualities of wood, creating a harmonious environment that promotes well-being. Plants can soften hard lines and add a touch of life to wooden furniture, making the space feel more vibrant. This integration of nature into interior design fosters a sense of serenity and connection to the outdoors, as homeowners increasingly seek to create personalized spaces that reflect their identities. The use of wood in furniture and decor offers a unique opportunity for self-expression. Each piece can tell a story, conveying the homeowner's tastes, values, and experiences. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wood furniture and decor ideas for modern homes. Unique inspirations for your space. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.